Here's how to create your own stickers on Snapchat from any photo in just a few seconds. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once Snapchat opens, you'll land on the camera screen. Now, beside the camera capture button, you'll see a small gallery or photos icon. Tap on it. This will open the camera roll, where all your photos and videos are stored. Next, select the image that contains the object you want to use as sticker. Now tap on the edit button in the top right corner of the image. Then tap on the scissors tool from the menu on the right side. This is Snapchat's built-in sticker creation tool. Using your finger, carefully draw around the object you want to turn into a sticker. Snapchat will automatically cut it out and create the sticker for you. Exit the sticker editor. Now, let's use that sticker in a photo from camera roll. Tap on the edit button once again. Look for the stickers icon in the right side menu and tap on it. Then tap on the scissors icon from the top menu. Here you'll find all the stickers you've created before. Tap on the sticker you just created to add it instantly. You can adjust the sticker as you need. Once you're done editing your snap, you can save it to your device. Alternatively, you can send the snap directly from the editor to your friends or post it as a story. And that's it.